When I do a search on my phone on Safari, it automatically defaults to Google as the default search engine, but it doesn't have to. We can change that to various other choices. Here's how we do it. We go to Settings, and then we scroll all the way down on the main settings page to Apps, tap on the S on the right side to go to the section with all the S's, and tap on Safari. Here, without even scrolling, we see Search Engine set to Google. If we tap on that, we see we can choose Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and Ecosia. If I switch to DuckDuckGo, for example, then I go over here. I have to tap in the search bar again. Let's just do the same search for hello, and go. And now we see our search engine is DuckDuckGo. And if you find that your iPhone's battery doesn't last as long as it used to and it drains way faster than it should, check out this video here that shows you a bunch of different fixes for that. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and then I'll see you on this video.